Buying a used car can feel like playing a game of roulette. You never really know what you're going to get. You might luck out with a car that runs for years, or you could end up with one that spends more time in the shop than on the road. But what if I told you that you could get a car for under $5,000 that's built to last, rarely needs repairs, and could easily go over 200,000 miles? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, buckle up because it's not. Here's a list of 17 cars that simply never break down, and they all come with a price tag that won't make you cry at the bank. 1. Toyota Corolla, 2003 to 2008. The immortal ride. First up is the Toyota Corolla, known for its legendary reliability. These cars are practically immortal, with the 2003 to 2008 models regularly surpassing 200,000 miles without much trouble. You can find one for under $5,000, and its 1.8-liter engine is a champ, requiring minimal maintenance around $362 per year. Plus, you'll enjoy 30 miles per gallon combined, which makes it an excellent choice for both city driving and highway trips. The Corolla's reputation for longevity makes it the gold standard for budget-conscious buyers looking for reliability. 2. Honda Civic, 2006 to 2011. The Road Warrior. The Honda Civic is a compact that refuses to quit. Known for being fuel-efficient and extremely reliable, the 2006 to 2011 models are a smart buy, especially considering they can easily go beyond 200,000 miles. With 36 miles per gallon highway, this car is a commuter's best friend. It combines affordable upkeep, about $368 per year, and a reliable engine that keeps on going, making it a great investment for anyone who needs a car that just won't let them down. 3. Toyota Camry, 2002 to 2006. The smooth operator. The Toyota Camry offers smooth reliability at an affordable price. The 2.4-liter engine in the 2002 to 2006 models can easily run for 200,000 plus miles with basic maintenance. At $388 per year for upkeep and an impressive 33 miles per gallon highway, it's perfect for those who want a comfortable, reliable sedan without the huge price tag. It also delivers excellent comfort, with a smooth, quiet ride that makes it a great choice for long drives. 4. Honda Accord, 2003 to 2007. The king of mid-size sedans. The Honda Accord is known for its longevity and fun-to-drive factor. The 2003 to 2007 models can easily reach over 250,000 miles with proper care. Maintenance costs are low, averaging around $400 per year, and it delivers 31 miles per gallon highway. It's a solid choice for anyone seeking a reliable mid-size sedan that is not only practical, but also offers a fun driving experience thanks to its engaging handling and strong engine. 5. Toyota Avalon, 2000 to 2005. Luxury without the price tag. The Toyota Avalon offers luxury without the luxury price. If you're looking for a spacious and comfortable ride, the 2000 to 2005 models fit the bill. These cars last well beyond 250,000 miles, and with an annual maintenance cost of just $463, you'll have a smooth ride without worrying about costly repairs. 6. Lexus ES 300/330, 2002 to 2006. Toyota reliability, Lexus comfort. Want Lexus-level comfort but don't want to break the bank? The Lexus ES 2002 to 2006 has you covered. Built on the same platform as the Toyota Camry, it combines luxury with Toyota's legendary reliability. With the 3.0-liter V6 engine, these cars can easily surpass 200,000 miles and have $468 in annual maintenance costs. 7. Honda Fit, 2007 to 2013. Small but mighty. The Honda Fit is the compact car that punches well above its weight. With its 1.5-liter engine, it can go well past 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. It's also fuel efficient, getting up to 37 miles per gallon highway, and it has a surprisingly spacious interior for a small car. Maintenance costs are around $390 per year, making this a versatile and dependable option. 8. Scion XB 2004 to 2006. The Boxy Wonder. The Scion XB might have a boxy look, but it's got a big heart when it comes to reliability. With its 1.5-liter Toyota-engineered engine, it can easily surpass 200,000 miles and only requires about $386 in repairs annually. It's also fuel-efficient, offering around 31 miles per gallon combined, and its spacious interior is perfect for families or those who need extra cargo space. 9. Pontiac Vibe 2003 to 2008. The Hidden Toyota. The Pontiac Vibe is essentially a Toyota Matrix under a different name. Powered by the same 1.8-liter engine as the Toyota Corolla, the Vibe is a reliable hatchback that can go 200,000 miles or more. It delivers 35 to 38 miles per gallon highway, and with $400 in annual repairs, 10. Mazda 3, 2004 to 2013. The fun and reliable choice. The Mazda 3 combines fun-to-drive handling with dependability. The 2004 to 2013 models are well known for their long-lasting engines. Whether you choose the 2.0-liter or 2.3-liter engine, the Mazda 3 can easily hit 150,000 miles or more. With $400 in annual repairs and an average of 28 miles per gallon combined, it's the perfect blend of sporty and reliable. 11. Lincoln MKZ 2010. Luxury without the luxury price. If you're after luxury, the Lincoln MKZ is a solid option. The 3.5-liter V6 engine produces 263 horsepower, making it fast and fun to drive. Even with all its premium features, the MKZ only requires about $450 in repairs per year. At 27 miles per gallon highway, it's a luxury sedan that won't drain your wallet. 12. Toyota RAV4 2001 to 2005. The reliable SUV. The Toyota RAV4 is one of the most reliable compact SUVs on the market. The 2001 to 2005 models come with a 2.0-liter or 2.4-liter engine, both of which are known to last over 200,000 miles with minimal repairs. With an average of 25 miles per gallon combined, it's a solid choice for those who need an SUV that won't break the bank. 13. Honda CR-V 2002 to 2006. The dependable compact SUV. The Honda CR-V is another compact SUV that's built to last. The 2002 to 2006 models are reliable and capable of reaching 200,000 miles with minimal issues. It gets about 25 miles per gallon combined, and with $410 in repairs annually, it's one of the most cost-effective SUVs you can own. 14. Toyota Highlander 2001 to 2007. The family-friendly SUV. The Toyota Highlander offers space, comfort, and reliability. The 2001 to 2007 models come with either a 4-cylinder or V6 engine, both of which are known to last well beyond 200,000 miles with minimal issues. At $450 in annual repairs, it's a family-friendly SUV that won't break the bank. 15. Toyota 4Runner 1996 to 2004. The rugged off-roader. The Toyota 4Runner is the off-road king. The 1996 to 2004 models are known to last 300,000 miles or more, especially when well-maintained. With a 3.4-liter V6 or 4.0-liter V6 engine, it's ready for adventure. While maintenance costs are a bit higher, $500 per year, it's still one of the toughest vehicles you can buy for the price. 16. Subaru Forester 2004 to 2009. Adventure-ready and reliable. The Subaru Forester is perfect for those who want rugged reliability in a compact SUV. With all-wheel drive and a 2.5-liter engine, the 2004 to 2009 models can go well beyond 200,000 miles with proper care. They also average about 22 miles per gallon combined, making it a great option for outdoor enthusiasts. 17. Toyota Prius 2004 to 2009, the hybrid that lasts. Last but not least, the Toyota Prius is a hybrid that actually lasts. With many of these cars hitting 400,000 miles or more with their original hybrid battery, the 2004 to 2009 Prius models are incredibly reliable. The 45 to 50 miles per gallon combined is unbeatable, and with $500 per year in maintenance costs, the Prius is the ultimate eco-friendly, budget-friendly ride. So there you have it. From the immortal Toyota Corolla to the adventure-ready Toyota 4Runner, these 17 cars offer unbeatable reliability and affordability. When buying a used car, these options will give you peace of mind, whether you're cruising through city streets or taking a road trip across the country. Affordable, dependable, and built to last, you can't go wrong with these choices. Happy driving. Stop gambling with your car purchase. With these 17 gems, you'll drive away confident, relaxed, and ready for whatever the road throws your way. So there you have it, 17 cars under $5,000 that simply never break down. Whether you're after reliability, fuel efficiency, or a little bit of luxury, these cars have got you covered. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart car picks.